the Somali community has requested a meeting with the board of directors of this hospital. The same board that has denied our people numerous times a meeting. Secondly, the Somalis are saying they are here to say they are unhappy about the language barrier, number one, and the culture barrier. Now for us it's very simple. They must rather go to their hospitals in Somalia than to come make threats or to come sit in boardrooms and say this is unhappiness. You don't have an option to be happy in this country. How do you allow a Somalian foreign community and you deny your own people that live around these areas?
They never ever had the opportunity to give us opportunity of a platform to discuss issues at this hospital. And here we see now foreigners are being given an opportunity to engage with management. Basic thing from us, it's unacceptable.
These guys got shops all around here. They want to walk into a boardroom and to dictate. They want their language, they want their culture respected. Here mense, wat 'n nonsense is hy? Waar kry jy reg? In which country will you ever get that